Okay, y'all, let's get into it. Welcome to my home theater. I always been into configuring, engineering, IT, so I thought, let me go ahead and make a movie theater. I was always a fan of a good movie. I enjoy going to the movies as well, still do. Even as a kid, I remember converting my closet into a movie theater, and I would invite my cousins over as if like they had to buy a ticket, etc. So I always been into movies, but I wanted to know how to combine my love of movies with IT. Now, let's get into some of the items you may have noticed in my home theater. Let's start off with this light. I brought it from Amazon. You could put it over your pictures, your movie pictures, and it gives this nice ambiance. I had to go ahead and purchase the blankets as well to give for the comfort feel. I brought my screen from Amazon as well. It was a pretty good price, about 20 bucks, I believe. Now, my rug was one of the items that were a bit pricey. This was about $80 for the rug. I thought it was pretty cool that I could also purchase snack boxes from Amazon as well as the movie posters. These get a bit pricey. Lastly, I brought my soundbar and projector from Amazon as well. When it comes to the soundbar and projector, I would say take your time when buying these items. They may be pricey, but find the perfect item that's affordable for you. That's going to definitely give you the best bang off, for your buck. However you say the saying. I don't know. The best, whatever. Y'all know what I'm saying. The best bang for your buck. There it is. But here is the final project. I had a little concession stand. Let me know what other projects you all want me to do. I really enjoy making my first home theater. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. I would say that I created this movie theater under $500, so good deal. But until next time, remember, follow your passion and break the mold.